So today I'm gonna teach you guys how to set up Telerik UI for Blazor server app. So go ahead and search for Blazor server app, and then click next. We're gonna give our application a name. So for example, marketplace app. Enter. You can go ahead and select 3.1, but I'd like to select 5.0, and create. Alright, so here we are in our boilerplate application for um, Blazor server app. So go ahead and close that, and then we're gonna uh, try to run it, see what is in here. Um, so here we have fetch data. This is what we're gonna be converting into Telerik grid, and then so today I'll show you how to install Telerik into your server application, Blazor server app. And then so first what we're gonna do is go to NuGet packages, right click that, and then go to NuGet, and then select all in here, and then search for Telerik UI for Blazor, telerik.ui, and then go to browse. Alright, we'll select that and click install, accept. Alright, we can know that it's already installed if there's already a check mark in there, and also you can also check if it's already installed through here, packages. So right here, Telerik UI for Blazor. Alright, so next step will be to add it in our startup.cs. So just go ahead, services.add Telerik Blazor. After that, we're also going to add it in the root directory of our application, which is that's going to be in main layout. No, in imports. Imports, and then you're gonna say using Telerik.blazor, using Telerik.blazor.components. Right, that's gonna be the second step. And also after that, let's see if we can call it here in our fetch data page. We're gonna check if the Telerik grid. Alright, we can now data forecasts, right, auto generate columns goes true. Right, let's try and run this one. There you go, we have it here, but notice that we are getting an error here. So for this one, where is that? So for this one, it says that Microsoft and JS interrupt exception, could not find Telerik in init grid. So we can see the documentation for that one if we just search for that error, and then you're going to be given this first link here, JavaScript errors for docs.telerik.com, and then just scroll it down. So this link here is given, content Telerik UI Blazor. Okay, copy that, put it in your hosts file, put it just in the header, right, and rerun your application. Alright, now the error is gone, but notice that our table or our grid looks a little bit weird. So for that one, we're gonna need a theme, a Telerik theme for that one. So close that, or just search Telerik for Blazor theme. Click on that one, and here you can just copy anything here, or maybe this one. Can do theme, and then put it as well in your host file, and then we run. Fetch data. Alright, there you go. So that's it for this one. Thank you.